Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video using KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to install KineMaster application on your phone. And then you're going to create a project. And this is my project guys. And after we have created a project, we're going to import something. If you want to import something, you can go to the media and you can import photo, video, or it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to use the footage from the video assets, and I'm just going to pick random video, for example this one. Okay, and click on the check mark. And if you want to edit your video guys, just click on the video and you will see a lot of tools. For example, you can trim your video and then speed up or slow down, or filtering, or it's up to you. These are the tools that you can use. Okay, and I'm going to go back. And then if you want to add layer, just go to the layer and you can layer it with media effect, stickers, handwriting, or text. Yeah. And if you want to overlay it with media, just go to the media, and I'm going to use assets from the video assets as well. Oops, not this one. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm downloading the media from the assets. Okay, done guys. You can also overlay it with text if you want. Oops, I think I need to erase it. But yeah, that's okay. This is just for an example. Again, if you want to add effect, just go to the effects, sticker, handwriting, and so on. Okay. And let me try the blending mode. Oops, there is no blending mode. Okay, and yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's all about the basic tutorial on how to use KineMaster to edit video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.